Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Wow, the skies have parted and a little sunshine here between all the rainstorms. Get out here and do a little bit of a video tonight for you. So want to give you a real quick update. Here we are, we're coming up on mid-June, and we have the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee this Saturday. Looking forward to it. Just as we do that, we're all going to gather up from the dealership there on Saturday and head out to Clewiston to Scotty's Tiki Bar out at Roland Martin Marina. Can't believe I remembered all that. We're going to take a little drive out there, out through the country, and man alive, the burgers and the onion rings are just amazing. I've been here one other time with the Alpha Club several months ago, back at Christmas time, and what a neat place. So we're heading out there for lunch on Saturday. Come join us at Cars and Coffee, and we'll depart from there, head out and have a great time, great drive, and then we'll sort of meander our way back through some of the country roads. Should be a lot of fun. And then look for July the 2nd, St. Pete. There's stuff down on the RSVP list. Take a look at that. But I want to get to something really important. We're doing the October cars, the October mountain drive. But in front of that, we're doing a Thursday half day at the Performance Center. We've got 19 RSVPs so far. I've got 11 more slots for the Performance Center in Greer, South Carolina. There at the BMW Performance Center. We'll drive their cars. It's just going to be an amazing event. But we have up to 11 more slots, so I want to open up to anybody that's watching. You need to get in touch with me pretty quickly, as those RSVPs are going to go quick. I opened it up on last Sunday and I got 19 immediate responses. So I'm looking for up to 11 more folks can get in on this Performance Center thing. And you can email me, text me, give me a call. I'll give you some information about that. And then we'll see if we can get that up on our website just as quick as we can. I'll ask Carol, see what she can do. But it's going to be, if you've never been to the Performance Center, man, what an amazing event. Typically, I think those half-day events go for $700, $800 a piece. We're getting it for $500. That will also include lunch. We'll do 3 or 4 different driving events in their M cars, and I got to tell you, it is a blast. And then for those folks that are on the mountain drive, then we'll continue on up to Maggie Valley. But you're welcome to come join us and do this Performance Center thing. Greer, South Carolina, October the 10th. We'll leave here sometime on October the 9th. Those plans are in the making now. But if you want to be a part of the Performance Center, you need to get in touch with me really quickly and say, Stan, I want to do this. I'll get your name on the list. Let me know. We should have a lot of fun, and looking forward to it. It's going to be a really great trip. And if you've never done Performance Center, you just got to take it in. It's just a blast. People will tell you it is a super fun day. So until then, we'll see you soon. Happy motoring, y'all. Thanks.